Matt's an entrepreneur with a good systems integration company selling security, voice, data, and service support agreements sometimes. But his industry is suffering eroding margins and slimmer profits. Customers see little difference among product lines, so Matt competes on price alone. He needs to do something, but what? Matt knows he's got to differentiate his business from his products and his competitors. Matt knows the real money comes after installation with recurring revenue, but hasn't the time to design a program that will do that. He needs to keep customers coming back and turn his good business into a great one. Then, Matt discovers DWC and its marketing methodology for recurring revenue. With DWC, Matt gains a dedicated partner, blending industry experience, marketing savvy, and sales training, plus the best equipment protection solution and a plan for recurring revenue. Anyone can hawk hardware. DWC helps Matt offer more. Together, they design a robust total solution. Matt provides competitively priced service and support plans combined with DWC protection against hardware failure, even damage due to power surges. And they train Matt's team to effectively position his solution, lowest ownership cost in the market. Matt's now offering value customers are willing to pay for. They get financial security and peace of mind with no unbudgeted expenses. Implementation's a breeze with DWC's training and support. DWC offsets failed hardware costs. Matt keeps all recurring revenue. His customers are satisfied, loyal, and keep coming back. His sales team has more customers, higher closing ratios, and higher commissions. Matt's got more recurring revenue and greater profit. What are you waiting for? Add DWC and leave your competitors in the dust.